Google Ads bidding strategies simplify. What is impression share and when would you want to use it? Impression share basically is you telling Google systems, you know what, Google, I don't care about clicks, I don't care about driving website traffic, I don't care about conversions, I just want you to show my ads to as many people as possible. That's when you would want to select impression share. Now, then you also have ad location. I'll simplify what that is about as well. Let's say when someone searches Google, we have some ads on the top here. Obviously, that's more prominent here, right? Because that's what people see first. Then we may have some ads somewhere else. Then we may have ads down the bottom of the page, as we can see, which is perhaps less prominent. So, impression share advertising as a bidding strategy gives you that option to say, you know what, anywhere on the results page is okay. We may be more aggressive as to say, you know what, absolute top of results page. So show my ads above others. Now, when would you want to use this? You would want to use this for brand awareness or protecting your brand. Or you think to yourself, you know what? When someone searches for my competitors, I want them to see me or my brand. If that makes sense. That's why these bidding strategies are here for different cases. Yeah. Because you're focusing on impressions, that means there won't be, monetary values, and you want, it's not like conversions. Therefore, you can say, you know what, okay, although I'm selecting impression share, I'm not willing to pay, let's say, $5 cost per click. Maximum is $5 for anyone clicking that. Because although you're focused on showing your ads through impression share, what if someone clicks it? And somehow you advertise for a high value keyword, then the cost can go out of spiral very quickly. That's why you have maximum cost per click bid limit here. And you also have percentage. Say, okay, you know what, 80%. Impression share to target is 80%, according to other advertisers and so on. So that's what impression share is all about in a simplified manner. And definitely check out Rankia YouTube channel, because I have simplified other bidding strategies for advertisers as well.